The Montana Beef to School Project is a 3-year collaboration between beef producers, processors, schools, researchers, and many partners in the Montana Beef to School Coalition. The Montana Beef to School Project was funded by the United States Department of Agriculture Western Sustainable Agriculture Research and Education Program from 2015 to 2018.
On school menus across the United States, beef is a key ingredient. A Beef to School program connects schools, producers, and processors to provide local beef to students. Beef to School efforts can increase the sustainability of food systems for many reasons, including food literacy, increased transparency of the supply chain, and reduced inputs such as transportation and packaging. Blending local beef with lentils or mushrooms has been a way to increase vegetable consumption in school meals. Beef to School can work in many different models and is a win for schools, agriculture, and communities.
While Beef to School has been implemented in different ways across many Montana communities, the bottom line benefits are the same across the state. Locally sourced beef means that schools know where their meat comes from. Locally sourced beef builds relationships between schools and agriculture. Locally sourced beef supports sustainable business models in Montana. Montana beef has been served in schools across the state in a variety of ways. Hungry students have enjoyed local beef as burgers in Whitefish, meatballs in Lakeside, nachos in Livingston, tacos in Bozeman, chili in Montfort and across Montana, often served with homemade cinnamon rolls, of course. Livingston School District has been very active in farm-to-school programming, including sourcing vegetables grown in their school gardens and greenhouses, as well as from local farmers. Their beef-to-school efforts are notable. Over the past 8 years, they have served local Montana beef, and they currently serve only local beef from Park County producers. This scene from Park High School in Livingston shows students enjoying Taco Crunch and burgers.
We are the owners of Felton Angus Ranch in Springdale. We are proud to provide beef to Livingston School District. Frankly, we should have been doing it a long time ago.
Not only does Beef to School help support my family and our ranching operation, but we find pride in knowing that local kids are eating our beef. Kids are learning where their food comes from and making connections between Montana agriculture and their food.
If you're a school nutrition director, food service manager, cook, or farm-to-school coordinator who wants to serve local beef, start by talking to the beef producers or processors in your community. You can also put the word out with your local ranching organizations, 4-H connections, or discuss the idea with your school board. The Montana Beef to School website is packed with essential resources for different beef to school models. Other Montana school nutrition leaders have already paved the way in farm-to-school programming, and we're here to help you succeed.
All the folks involved in Montana's Beef to School case studies have one consistent piece of advice: start small. Robin Vogler, food service director in Summers Lakeside School District, says, start small and you pick one product, go out and source it and make it work and get people excited about it, and add another and another, and that's the way we have done it. The Montana Beef to School website features all of the resources you need to get started, such as many examples of successful programs across the state,